Hello, Amber Irwin here with Social Speak Network. Today I want to cover Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a platform that allows you to schedule your posts to social media platforms. There is a free version and a paid version. The free version allows you to manage 3 streams or 3 platforms, so Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, or Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, whichever you prefer. I really like Hootsuite because of the simplicity. It allows me to monitor my social media channels without having to log into each account every single day. Now that is still important to do. You do need to make sure that you are utilizing your apps on your phone, checking Instagram, checking Facebook, monitoring your messages. This isn't going to let you know if you have a message, but it is going to let you know what you have scheduled and what posts have gone out. You can add a stream here that for Facebook, you can also click on messages, you can click on mentions. So it does allow more. You can do as much as you want with this, or as little. Instagram, you can look at different hashtags, obviously my post and what's scheduled. LinkedIn, company updates, and scheduled. So you'll see here that we have our Instagram feed here, we have our Facebook page feed here, and our LinkedIn company page here. You can add a stream, so each of these columns is a stream. And you can have different tabs up here if you wanted to have one tab for just LinkedIn. If we just did, let's just change this to Facebook, and then we can change this to which platform we want. So we would choose, we're going to get rid of those two, just have it be Facebook, and then we are going to go and click next, and then Social Speak page adds a dashboard. Then we can add what we want as far as the stream. So we're gonna have the mentions, we can add, activity, we can add messages. So this does allow you to monitor what's going on within your Facebook. For us, we really just use this as a scheduling tool. So it allows us to schedule our posts to Instagram. And all you have to do for that is click new post, and you figure out which network it's going to go to. So you can click all 3 of them or just one, and then you're going to type in your text. So it's going to show you what it's going to look like. And then your media. So if you're going to add, your picture in, then you're going to be able to drop your files right here. If you want to add a location, that's great. And then you can schedule it here. So the nice thing about this is it allows you to schedule your posts a week, 2 weeks, a month in advance. And that's the biggest thing, is you want to make sure that you are being consistent with your social media posts. That's the biggest thing. It doesn't matter if you post 2 days a week or 7 days a week or 10 days a week, 10 times a week. You want to make sure that you have that consistency. So using a tool like Hootsuite allows you to do that. There are other tools out there like Buffer and Sprout Social. We also use Sprout Social, and this is great too. Sprout Social, there is a fee to it, but they do have really good reports. So it lets you know what your, kind of your stats. So again, rather than having to log into each platform, you're able to look at your reports on the social media networks that you have linked to Sprout Social, and it will give you those demographics of what's going on, who's looking at your posts, what days are the best, and it allows you to kind of look and analyze what's working and what's not working. Where are you getting the most engagement? So Hootsuite and Buffer are great for those free those free tools. And if you want more, something a little bit more robust, then I would look at Sprout Social. I think they have maybe a $30 a month plan and maybe a $99 a month plan. You'd have to look at it and see. But those are the two really good scheduling tools to use, Hootsuite and Sprout Social. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.